Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a little small Hobby Lobby haul. I was over that way and I went to go look for a press. I don't know, I changed my mind because I was like, I'm going to have to buy a ton more dies. And I just can't buy no more dies. Trying to slow up. Not that I won't buy anymore, but yeah, I don't know. I probably regret it now that I walked away and didn't get it, but I ended up picking up other stuff, so I don't know. Go figure that one out. But everything I got, basically, I think everything was on sale. Yeah, so these were half price, and I got these crosses, these beads, plastic cross beads, and that was 50% off, so that was $1.50. I got these ring beads, again, that was 50% off. And I got these resin flowers. Again, that was 50% off. I got these little gummy bears. And it's 16 pieces. And this was 50% off as well. All the different colors. I got these these square square letters. And it has some symbols in there. I see some hearts and stuff. And hashtags and numbers, it looks like. Or maybe it's just alphas. But anyway, I ended up getting, I thought I had 2 boxes of these. Yeah, 2 boxes of these, because I do have some square beads that can go along with those. And then I got these faux leather, or maybe they are leather, I don't know, tassels. And of course they were 50% off. I got some more of the eye hooks, the screw eyelets. Nice pack of gold, but I hadn't seen the gold ones in so long, but it's a pack of 75. And a nice size, all in gold, so I got those. I got some Stretchy Magic. I think this might have been the only thing that wasn't on sale. Yep, that's 1mm. And then I did get 2 stamp sets. I didn't need any more, but I did. I got this honeycomb background stamp set, and I have a honeycomb Creative Members Border Punch, and we have another one that's coming out soon, and I'm gonna have a bee punch. But anyway, I like the honeycomb, and it just makes me think of summer. So I got that, as well as some sentiments to go along with it, as well as I have some hexagon punches and stuff. So this says, meant to be kind, always be yourself, just because, and be happy. Hello, honey. So, and then you got some hexagrams. You got a nice bee right here, on another one here, and some foliage and some, hexagons again. So that's a nice set and everything. Again, these were on sale as well, and this was half off too. And so I got this one, tab punch, and this comes with 6 adhesives, and then I got some of the packs that come with the other adhesives to go along with it. All of that was off, 50% off. This was not on sale. I did get this wax seal set, and this is a 27 piece set, because it's 26 alphabets, and then this is the one handle. They had another font, more of a scripty font, but like a monogram font, and then this is just your classic, like a Times Roman font, whatever. So I just got this one only because something to read, but maybe I get the other ones later. And then last but not least, I got this antique gold bead mix. Of course, this was 50% off, and this has, different round beads and rows and rectangles and hexagons, cubes in here. So, and that is everything I got. And with this, just to make some quick tabs. Yeah, I like punches. I do have a thing about punches. It's just like dies and stamps. I just like a lot of stuff. That's my problem. But anyway, but I just thought it was nice to make those quickly. So that is my home. So thank you for taking the time to stop by, liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.